来看今年1月份，有科学家伫咧南极研究的时阵，发现有一粒真大粒的冰山放弃。这几啊百公尺高的冰层放弃了后，因会当进入这片新的海域来做探测，想要到这海底发现有真丰富的生态。
超过1公尺的海底，长长手亲像菜大共款，抑有真大的珊瑚、海绵，和大量的塔壳、大型海底猪、鱼虾等等直接生态。丰富生态系统点了伫南极冰山下骹1300公尺的深海，过几啊世纪了后，甲即马才第一摆互大家看到。
We're incredibly lucky that this just happened right now, because there's nothing like that is being done ever.
画册画面清楚看到，差不多1/4的台北市遐尼大的北树冰山，伫今年1月为南极的超速落雪，冰架放弃而且流走。伫附近柏林豪森海做研究的史密特海洋研究所探测船，马上开入冰山下骹新流出来海域，用遥控畅水器对遮进行8级的环境研究，结果也很真惊喜。
Preliminary logging of different species show sea urchins, sea cucumbers, sponges, corals, brittle stars, different kinds of fish, octopus, squids. So very comparable to what we see actually in areas outside.
These sponges have like an average growth rate of 0.2 millimeters per year. And we saw some of them are being 1 meter or 1.5 meter, even 2 meters high. If you can estimate that some of them have to be 8 or 10 or 12,000 years old, which is an amazing discovery.
深海生态系统主要是靠水面落水到海底营养物质转化，这当年互200公尺高的冰山砍掉了。科学家原本对下海生命无什么希望，探测了后所发现，这用要甲外部的海域共款是充满生机，可能是洋流带来食物维持生态机制，也可能是其他因素造成，也搁爱进一步研究证实。公司新闻是会中朋友。